If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh draining issue on Apple Watch. Many Apple Watch users have been experiencing battery life issues since watchOS 10.1 came out. According to reports, Apple Watch battery would drain much faster than expected or desired. In some instances, users would experience the Apple Watch battery draining from 100% to 50% or less in less than an hour, even with a perfectly healthy battery. For the impacted Apple Watch owners, the device's poor battery performance began after updating to watchOS 10.1, and now Apple has released watchOS 10.1.1 update to fix that battery draining problem, which users should update to right away when they get the chance. Remember, if your Apple Watch is set to auto-update, which it is by default, this update should install itself automatically overnight or whenever it's left plugged in and charging for an extended duration while unused. It's not clear what caused the unusual battery draining situation on Apple Watch, but presumably an identified bug was resolved with watchOS 10.1.1. Many Apple Watch users would sometimes experience battery draining unusually fast, sometimes even a percentage a minute, or they may notice their device would enter into power reserve mode, seemingly out of nowhere as the battery ran out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.